Hello guys, greetings everybody. So today it's gonna be a skincare review and trying on with my special skincare that if you haven't checked, my favorite facial mask on Garnier, the self-heating and the juicy mask, we're gonna find out. But today we're gonna use a special one, a different one, a different color, the Volcano Mask. So the Volcano Mask applicable to all skin type. Like I said, I've used Garnier for over a year now, probably, yeah, more than that. So I never have any problem on my skin. As you can see, very glowing, very, you know, natural. So so what is it for? Basically, this mask is for minimizing the appearance of pore for pure smooth skin. So there's no paraben, and you see the immediate effect on it, so which will look less shiny and look smoother. And they say long-lasting effectiveness, pore look unclogged and seem less visible. So applying on the clean and dry skin, that is for me. So let's open it and see how it looks like. Okay, so let me show you how it looks. Oops, hope I didn't drop. So you can see it's like a clay. So they say it's like a clay, but in a different color. So I always use my own hand to do that. Oops, wow. Okay, be careful of your eyes. So you know, it's like the self-heating, the sensation. I can feel something like heat, you know, just within a second. It doesn't even wait 1 minute. So, oh my god, you can see already like the heat is already appearing on your face, you know. And I don't think you need to use like the whole pack, yeah, just let me say that. You don't need to use the whole pack because it depends where you want to apply it on your face. So usually, you know, this is the amount of mask. Okay, I have a beautiful pinky face. So I'm okay at the moment. You know, it doesn't seem to harm me at the moment. Just feeling the sensation of heat, you know, like self-solar. I think it's the same function of that self-heating though. So yeah, avoid the eyes and lips and leave it on for 3 minutes. So let's wait 3 minutes. So guys, we are back. So let me show you a bit closer how this mask is. I'm like sweating here, look at it. Another sweat. Oh, let me show you a bit how it looks. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna rinse it now. I'm having something in my mind and it just escaped, but never mind. Okay, so let's rinse it. Oh yes, this is what now remind me. So when you use the facial mask, you know, of Garnier Skinactive, if you want, because me I use it like once a week, but if you want to do a combination, you know, a mask like this with another one, you know, is your choice. But I usually do that, like I use something like to cleanse and then bring the glow. So if you notice, like each Garnier mask, you see something more like patchy and another one much more jelly, yeah. So I think the jelly one is mostly like the yellow one and the blue one, which the anti-first, I believe, which I'll do another really soon. But yeah, so it's up to you, you know, how you want to use the mask. But I usually do it once a week, definitely. Yeah, so let's go for it. So I use a warm water, you know. Yeah, no, I don't know if you can see. No, it's too bright today. So let's remove it. Wow. So let me prepare already my towel. So you can see already. Well, it's kind of easy to remove. As you can see, it's really easy to remove, you know. Okay, almost done. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, you definitely feel the sensation, like, you know, feeling fresh and new. See, I don't know if you can really see the result, but me, I can see. Actually, you know how you're gonna see it is when, you know, you do your makeup. Like, you will see the difference when the skin is glowing and when it's not. So that's why I say always, like, do your skincare before doing any makeup, you know, or even if you're not a makeup type, you know. Well, skincare, take care of yourself is really important. So that's all done for today. So just to ask, have you ever used facial mask before, especially from Garnier? Let me know on the comment below. And what do you think of it? Did you have any experience of it? Did you have any side effect of it? Me personally, I didn't. I never have anyway. So what about you? So don't forget to thumbs up and ciao.